Alright guys, welcome aboard. To Asheboro to get a new tire, or ran used tire. We didn't have any new ones, but we'll get this one faced until the annual tide us over. Got a pretty good flat spot on it. Alright, power is set. Airspeed's alive, everything's in the green. Looking for 84. There's 84. The brake gear's coming up, lights coming off. Yellow damp on. Down at 400 feet. I'll hit heading. We'll start our turn.
Number 3 Delta Delta, contact departure, see ya.
Over to departure, 3 Delta Delta, good day.
Expect a right turn in about 3 miles. You're not quite in my airspace yet.
Roger that, appreciate it, 34 Tango.
You're welcome.
Greensboro departure, bearing 683 Delta Delta is 2,000, climbing 3,000, direct Asheboro.
Bearing 683 Delta Delta, Greensboro departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 4,000. Advise when you have the weather at Asheboro. Say approach request.
4,000, we're just picking it up now for 3 Delta.
Roger.
Wind, calm, visibility 1 and 3 quarters, mist 100, scattered, ceiling 2,000, 300, broken 3,000, overcast, temperature 5 Celsius, dew point 5, altimeter 3035.
And 3 Delta Delta has the weather at Asheboro. I like the GPS runway 21 if we could do starting at CDs.
November 3 Delta Delta, roger. Clear direct CD, 8 miles from CD, cross CD at 3,700. Cleared RNAV runway 21 approach Asheboro Airport.
Okay, direct CD will cross CD at 3,700, cleared RNAV 21, 683 Delta Delta. All right.
November 3-4 Tango, turn 30 degrees right.
30 degrees right, 34 Tango.
On the go. My phone. I had it.
ABEX 36 Heavy, turn right heading 140. Piedmont 4906, would you like 1-1000 to go fast?
That'd be great, Piedmont 4906.
Piedmont 4906, climb and maintain 1-1000.
11 dash Piedmont 4906, thanks. Where the heck my phone went? There it is right there. Fell between the seats. Alright, we're going to CDs. going to start slowing down now.
AVEX 36 Heavy, 900 miles from Heavy, turn right heading 200.
After Haybug, we'll go down to 2600.
On the localizer, cleared ILS runway 23, right approach.
Zulu, weather, wind, calm, visibility 2, mist. 100, scattered, 1,000, 300, scattered, ceiling 3,000, overcast, temperature 5 Celsius, dew point 5, altimeter 3035.
Alright, hopefully those scattered layers aren't going to mess us up too bad. I'm going to start slowing a little more. This next leg, not real far between the two. After Haybug, 2,600 feet. Then Colon is the final approach fix. We're going down to 918. In the event of a mist, we're going to climb to 3,000, right turn back to Coopy. We can actually let our glide path capture, which will be
Bearing 3 Delta Delta, no traffic observed between you and Asheboro Airport. Advise canceling IFR in the air this frequency or on the ground via flight service. Change to advisory frequency approved.
Okay, 3 Delta Delta.
We'll try to cancel in there. It all depends on what we see when we get in here. Okay, just getting ready to turn in 9 seconds. Here we go, it's starting to turn. 225. Go down to 26. There's our glide path. Said, whatever it was, 1,300 scattered and or 1,100, whatever it was, and then that 100-foot scattered. We're going to look out the window and see what it looks like. We'll try to cancel in the air if we can, because it obviously helps them out a lot if we can do that. Look like it's going to take long for this stuff to burn off, but you know, some of it's all about timing. You get there too early and it's foggy. So, and speed is good. I'm doing about 144, so I'm good. I've already got my flaps in, but that'll keep me from 152. I'll get the gear when I get the glide path intercept. About a mile and a half from the final approach fix. Altitude's captured. We got to watch our speed, make sure we don't get too low. Check for glide path. Asheboro traffic bearing 683 Delta Delta is on a 5-mile final runway 21 Asheboro.
Pedro.
Hello. A shout out from one of my pilot buddies. I don't think he's a YouTube fan, but he's from my local buddies here. That was Pilot Roger. I got the runway in sight. We'll switch to Greensboro. And Greensboro approach, bearing 683 Delta Delta. We'll go ahead and cancel the IFR. We got the field in sight.
Bearing 3 Delta Delta, IFR cancellation received. Say bases.
Well, there's no bases. It's just very hazy, kind of a low, foggy layer.
Bearing 3 Delta Delta, roger. Thank you. Have a good day.
All right, thank you. Have a good day. All right, you guys see the runway out there? It's a little black strip in that little fog. Gonna try to do a nice, smooth, slow touchdown. And hopefully my tire, when it touches, it's not on that bad spot. But you know, yeah. It looks worse than it probably really is because I can still kind of see the tread groove, even though there's a big chunk missing. All right, here we go. We're gonna ease the car back just a little more. I'm still just a couple knots fast for full flaps. Here's my speed. Flaps are moving. We're going to 918. 920 set on the alerter. Asheboro traffic, 3 Delta Delta, short final runway 21 Asheboro. Alright, yaw damp, autopilot's away, 3 green, no red lights are on, mixture's rich, are full. Everything's done.
Minimums.
Here we go. Nice and soft. Nice and slow. Asheboro traffic, 3 Delta Delta is clear the runway, Asheboro. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like.